Okay, so today we're going to see, we going paperless. Okay, this is your chapter name, going paperless. Okay, let's start then. So this chapter, this section, in this point, um, all practices and efforts taken by organization in a paperless direction and explain various ways to reduce amount of paper organization consume. So here we're going to see how we can means we can consume amount of paper organization consume. So paper problem, first of all, let's see. The first of all paper problem means how does over uses how does over uses of paper effect paper affect environment and organization. Environment and organization. Okay, I'm writing like this. ORG, that is organization. Consider. Okay. So here we are going to see this today's topic is it's nothing but going paperless. So here we're going to see that all the practices and efforts taken by the organization in paperless direction and explain various way to reduce amount of paper organization consume. So here we're going to see the papers problem, the environment and the cost. So paper problems in this, the question can arrive like this: how the how does overuses of paper affect environment and organization? So here, overusing paper affect not only to company bottom line. Okay, overing papers affect not only to company bottom line but also to environment. If you're using overuse any if you use over the papers, then it will be badly impact on our environment. This section explain what overuse of paper is doing both globally and locally. So in here we're going to see how paper over use of paper is doing both globally and locally. So environment. Okay, in this environment, just 1 minute. Okay, paper problem is the biggest source of wood consumption. So in this environment, paper production is the biggest problem, biggest source. Okay, paper production is the biggest source of wood consumption. USA alone consume around how much? Around I need around 200, 200 millions. Okay, million tons. So here, paper production is the biggest source of wood. Just let me increase this. Okay, so okay, paper production is the biggest source of wood consumption. USA alone consume around 200 million tons of wood product, and number is increasing year by year. USA paper product produce consume 1 billion tree. So USA paper producer consume the 1 billion tree for a production of paper. So here in this, USA alone consume around 200 million ton of wood product, and number is increasing year by year. It's not coming decrease state, it always increasing year by year. Then USA paper production consume 1 billion trees. So for paper production in USA consume the 1 billion trees. Okay, then, losing tree, sand, forest land is not in only problem. The process of deforestation has released more than 120 billion tons of carbon dioxide CO2 into atmosphere. Also, more than 3 million tons of calories used each year of bleach paper. Chlorine is a major source of the dioxide and regularly dumped into rivers and stream as water. So what here means losing tree is sent forest land is not only problem. The process of deforestation has released more than 120 billion ton of carbon dioxide, and you know the CO2 how it badly impact for human health also, right? On the human health and on badly impact on our environment also, CO2. So because of consuming, because of deforestation, CO2 is released imitate c 120 billion. So cost, let's see about this point. Handling in cost, handling paper can account for 30% of organization overhead. This number consider the average number of hours spent by worker doing tasks such as creating, then filling, distributing, retrieving, and destroying documents. So handling paper can account for 30% of organization overhead. This number consider the average number of hours spent by worker doing tasks such as means we have to spend money for particular worker, they because they doing like this work. Yeah, means such as creating and filling and distributing, retrieving, then destroying and documents. Okay, according to one report in an organization, on on an average any document is copied 9 to 11 times. Okay, any document is copied 9 to 11 times according to one report. Okay, so if it is offline documents, manual documents, so it copy 9 to 11 times. Why? If one of the document is lost, then we have to means we require this particular document. So we have, if we having the copy of particular document, then we can use it. So that's why what it copy 9 to 11 times at a cost about to doing this copy particular document is nothing of one single file, 100 pages file. If it keep in manually data, manually means keep in file and like this, so you can't count us, so okay how much it will be required. So just think that copy 9 to 11 times at a cost about USA $23, and to file that document it cost USA $25, and cost to retrieve missing file is USA $153. So main handle for maintaining paperless office is mental and not yes. So main handle of maintaining paperless office is mental and not technological. 10 to 20 years ago, it was fine which were backup and if lost business gone. Okay, in the before 10 and 20 years ago, okay, it was file which were backup and if lost business gone. But in 21st century, good backup procedure are follow, right? You know very well now this backup. Nowadays new trend is element backup media such as you can means you can keep your backup your data like CD, DVS, then in hard disks, and use of commercial online storage services for backups. This will save thousands of paper and provide security from dangers like fire and flood. Although this incurs some initial cost and takes time to, but once done then it is maintenance. So listen here, before the how is Varsha Adi, if you want to keep your data through files, so think it will be sorry that time ते थोड़ा कॉस्टली एंड इरिटेटिंग होतं वर्क टू कीप एंड ऑल, बट इन दिस सेंचुरी, in this century, this time, we can easily keep our data through PD, yeah, we can say hard disks, and in any soft copy we can store our data easily, right? So here, जर डेटा मॅन्युअली असेल मीन्स फाईल फॉर्मॅटमध्ये असेल आणि सपोज कुठेही फायर झालं या फ्लड आलं, तर तुमचा तो डेटा इझिली, यू विल लॉस युअर डेटा इझिली, राइट? आई एम नॉट टेलिंग दैट थ्रू सॉफ्ट कॉपी यू विल बी सेव योर डेटा। समटाइम अगर लैपटॉप में करप्ट, लैपटॉप में कुछ प्रॉब्लम हुआ, क्रैश हो गया सपोज, या पीडी करप्ट हो गया, देन आल्सो यू कैन लॉस योर डेटा। हियर आल्सो प्रॉब्लम इज देयर, but what if your data is very secure types and your data is very essential, so you can do one thing, what you can take, keep your data in cloud, I mean in Google Drive, then नाही ते करप्ट होतं नाही काही होतं, whenever you require you can easily use your data, so it is a beneficial point, जो कि आपको manually नहीं मिलता। Okay, so this is the advantages here, so and we will means the two types of advantages we will get, yeah, we are getting if we do like this. See, going for paperless, then we will save our environment, yeah, we can save, then and plus we can secure our data easily if we keep this data in cloud, right? So paperless office benefits both organization and environment. So some of the benefits are, let's see the benefits of, well, let me write. Okay, so benefits of having paperless office. Okay, benefits, let's check it, these benefits. Okay, let's, okay, so first one is lesser paper cost. Okay, lesser paper cost. So लेजर पेपर कॉस्टली क्या होईल, देखो, इफ यू आर युझिंग लेस पेपर देन कॉस्ट ही कमी राहील, राइट? मीन्स यू नो यू डोंट रिक्वायर द मैन पावर, जैसे कि हमने देखा था कि पेपर के ऊपर वर्क करने के लिए भी कितने मैन पावर, ड्राइव करने के लिए, उसको फिर पॉलिश करने के लिए रिक्वायर द मैन पावर, सो इफ यू यूज लेस पेपर देन कॉस्ट also we reduce it, then less pollution, it's very main point here, less pollution, because of pollution only, pollution is only the one of the bad biggest problem, they just a minute, okay, so pollution की वजह से ही ह्यूमंस हेल्थ को मींस इन्वायरमेंट बैडली इम्पैक्ट हो रहा है, एंड आल्सो ह्यूमंस बॉडी को भी हार्मफुल, हेल्थ में भी हार्म हो सकता है। सो पेपर यूज कम करेंगे तो ऑफकोर्स फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल रिड्यूस द कॉस्ट, वी विल सेव आवर मनी, and second main thing that, most important point, that less pollution, right, and then fewer paper use, and if you try to use, oh sorry, just 1 minute, okay, so less paper cost, then fewer पेपर यूज। आता अगर पेपर आपण कमी यूज केलो, राईट, सपोज आपण आपला पूर्ण इम्पॉर्टंट डेटा जर आपण सॉफ्ट कॉपी थ्रू, एक्सेल थ्रू, जसं की मी आता हे कम्प्लीट आपण सर्व जे इथे बघतोय, राईट, इट इज नॉट, आय एम नॉट युझिंग पेपर हिअर, आय एम गिव्हिंग लेक्चर थ्रू वर्ड फाईल, अँड हिअर आय एम युझिंग keyboard, and I'm typing here. It's I don't require any paper to use here. So here paper what's learning, you can also getting my point, whatever I'm teaching you, what I'm teaching you, right, you also getting the point without paper, so no need paper here, so paper, fewer paper use केल्याने we can use, we can save our environment, right? Then lower storage cost, so lower waste disposal cost, lower storage cost आणि lower storage cost, आता listen, पेपर जर आपण डॉक्युमेंट वाईज, दिस इज अ फोर्थ एडव्हान्टेजेस. ओके, डॉक्युमेंट या फाईल जर आपण ठेवलो, ओके, तर ते ठेवण्यासाठी वी रिक्वायर द प्लेस, we required we need to store this particular files in any rack, any room, right? So for this purpose we have to spend our money, right? सो अगर वही डेटा अगर हम लोग सॉफ्ट कॉपी में, पीसी में, क्लाउड में सेव करते, सो हम लोगों को स्टोरेज का कॉस्ट, उसकी स्पेस को पैसा नहीं देना होगा, एंड वी डोंट रिक्वायर टू स्पेंड मनी फॉर पर्टिकुलर unwanted thing. So if you use less paper, then you will store lower storage cost will be occur. Simple. Then loss energy use, sorry, less energy use. So why we are saying, I'm telling here less energy use here. Listen, अगर the paper हम file through use करेंगे, so we have to keep this data in proper in sequentially order. And suppose by mistake we unable to, yeah, we couldn't keep our data in sequential manner, and suppose we are require file of 2008 7, और मुझे उसकी फाइल चाहिए suppose, and I don't मतलब मैं सिक्वेन्शियली आपला डेटा नाही आहे, फाईल नाही आहे, सो एनर्जी लागेल त्याच्यासाठी ते फाईल सर्च करायला, अँड तीच फाईल आपण सॉफ्ट कॉपी मध्ये सेव्ह केलो आणि सॉफ्टवेअर थ्रू आपण 2008 सर्च करू आणि वी एबल टू टेक आर डेटा इन 2 and 3 seconds, जो हमें ऑफलाइन मीन्स फाइल थ्रू ढूंढने में आई थिंक सो 1-2 hours भी जा सकते थे. Okay, so this is about less energy use. Then less tree cut. This is very important. Less storage space needed. Just I said you already. Then less tree cut. अगर ट्री कम कट होगी, अगर पेपर का काम ही हम लोग स्किप करेंगे, पेपर यूज करना, अगर ज्यादा से ज्यादा हम पेपर यूज करना स्किप करेंगे, तो झाड़ कम कटेंगे, और ट्री कट कम कट होने से इन्वायरमेंट विल गिव अस गुड बेनिफिट, राइट? We can take a good benefit from environment. It will be not CO2 भी emit नहीं होगा, ना ही pollution होगा. So अगर tree कम कट हुआ तो, right? Then less easy document handling. So these are the some advantages if you are going for paperless, right? Then less waste to recycle, burn, or send to landfill. Then less wasted production by the organization, and less landfill capacity needed. So this about the benefit if you are using, if you are trying to sorry, reduce your paper, to use your reduce to use paper. So paper and office here, storage of paper in the office, additional cost. So practically adapting paperless office can save money and time both. Adapting paperless office can save money and time both. Why I'm telling this line? So we will see two scenario here. Then you will get the output. Why I'm telling that adapting paperless office can save money and time both. So suppose scenario first, where Mr. A has got appointment of an important client for the meeting. Mr. A has carry some paper which he has forgot in the office. The scenario first is what? Mr. A has got appointment of an important client for the meeting. Mr. A has to carry some paper which he has forgot in the office. Okay, Mr. A को एक अपॉइंटमेंट मिली मीटिंग की, तो उसको वो मीटिंग में जाना था वो फाइल लेके, लेकिन अनफॉर्चुनेटली वो भूल गया अपना ऑफिस में, सॉरी अपने घर में वो फाइल ऑफिस ऑफिस तक लेके जाने के लिए, मीन्स बाय मिस्टेक ही फॉरगॉट टू टेक. So A has to carry some paper which he has forgotten in the office. The only option Mr. A to get those paper, in that he has to return back to office and get those paper from there. Time is waste and might lost. The client consider the scenario A. Mr. A has got appointment for an important client, okay, for the meeting. Mr. A has to carry some paper which he has forgotten in the office. The only option for Mr. A to get those paper is that he has to return back to office and get those paper from there. And so conclusion is that time is waste and might lose the client. So अगर मिस्टर ए को क्लाइंट का कॉल आता है, उसको मीटिंग अटेंड करना है, बट बाय मिस्टेकली he forgotten his पेपर. ओके, कुछ पेपर फाइल में से मिस हो गया उसको, और अभी वो क्लाइंट की तरह, सपोज उसका ऑफिसर जो पर्टिकुलर क्लाइंट की यहाँ पे, उसका डिस्टेंस सपोज 1 hours का है, 1-2 hours का है. सो इफ क्लाइंट्स डोंट हैव दैट मच टाइम टू वेट एंड टू सी हिज वट एवर, जो भी होगा उसके फाइल में, जो भी उनको डिस्कशन करना है, तो शायद से क्लाइंट निग्लेक्ट कर दे या इग्नोर करे या लेटर भी बोले, कुछ भी, राइट? क्योंकि क्लाइंट के पास टाइम नहीं है. सो हियर बिकॉज ऑफ कीपिंग ऑफलाइन पेपर, मतलब डॉक्यूमेंट फाइल में, ए मे बी लॉस द क्लाइंट, इंपॉर्टेंट क्लाइंट, या टाइम तो वेस्ट ऑफकोर्स हुआ ही है यहाँ पर. तो ये एक सिनेरियो ए का है, जहाँ जो जिसके पास ऑफलाइन डेटा था, और जो लॉस करने की वजह से या मिस करने की वजह से, वो या तो आइदर क्लाइंट मिस करता है या फिर टाइम वेस्ट होता है उसका. ओके, सो यहाँ एक और सिनेरियो देखो. नाउ कंसीडर द सिचुएशन. ओके, नाउ कंसीडर अनदर सिचुएशन वेयर मिस्टर ए हैज दोस डॉक्यूमेंट इन हिज ईमेल. ओके, अभी जैसे कि ए है. ओके, जैसे पहले उसके पास वो जो भी डेटा था वो हमने कहा उसके फाइल में था, बट कंसीडर ये सिचुएशन करो कि जो डेटा फाइल, मतलब जो इंफॉर्मेशन, जो स्लाइड, जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन रिलेटेड टू हिज प्रोजेक्ट जो क्लाइंट को दिखाना है, अगर वो ऑफलाइन या फाइल फॉर्मेट में ना होकर, अगर उस क्लाइंट ए के सपोज मेल आईडी में, ओके, एग्जांपल सिचुएशन ये कंसीडर करो कि नाउ कंसीडर सिचुएशन वेयर मिस्टर ए हैज दोस डॉक्यूमेंट इन हिज ईमेल. ओके, ही कैन इजीली लॉग इन, राइट? अगर वो कहीं भी होगा, 2 hours के डिस्टेंस में भी होगा अपने घर से या ऑफिस से क्लाइंट के पास, बट this data is having in his email, then he can easily log in and get those document from there. Okay, अपने login से वो data ले सकता है. Okay, or he can access his office machine from his laptop using, so he can access also, right? It can then proceed there with meeting and can get the contact from the client contract. So यहाँ पे ही अगर वो डेटा उसके पास उसके मेल थ्रू है, सो वो डिस्कस कर सकता है अपना प्रोजेक्ट जो भी है, और यहाँ पे टाइम सेव होता है. देन उसको टेंशन नहीं है कि क्लाइंट मिस हो जाएगा, राइट? और ना ही उसका कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मिस हो जाएगा. नो टेंशन, नो वरी. वाई? बिकॉज डेटा, इफ ही forget also, then if he having this data in his email id, then within a second he can log in his email id, either if he have and he can process his whatever he want to show to the client, and he can get the contract also, right? So this is two scenario with the with paperless and without paper. If we are going through paper, then we can sometime be in problem, but if we having good option, uh, and we can reduce our paperwork also, and if we keep this data in cloud, yeah, in our Google Drive, then we can easily use access our data anywhere, and we can explain our whatever we want to explain through our data, and we can get the contact, means the particular a and whatever जो भी मैंने आपको भी सिनेरियो बताया. ओके, सो ये सब है पेपर लेस वर्किंग में. अब हम पेपर कम यूज करते हैं और थ्रू सॉफ्ट कॉपी जाते हैं. ओके, देन स्टोरेज ऑफ पेपर्स, कॉल स्टोरेज रिक्वायर filing cabinet, which turns require office. Okay, sorry, if amount of papers used in the organization are reduced, one will be able to free up office space by removing fire filling cabinets, and expense of buying new filling cabinets can also be saved. One can compute how much is spent on paper by counting the number of filling cabinets. One have then measure how much floor area occupy. Multiply both value to know cost of maintaining that file cabinet. Based on the number of on can now how much it costs to store paperwork. If paperwork is stored offsite, it will be have additional cost in terms of bill for storage, right? Then distraction. It is not only storage which costs money. Destroying unused and unimportant paper also cost money. Most of the paper produced winds up in the trash within a few years of its first being product. An organization must pay for each pieces of paper that goes into the trash. Also, paper are sensitive and confidential share are used to destroy them, which add expense in the form of worker time along the electricity consumed. Then, going paperless. Organization changing over paperless billing, handle versus clipboard, unfilled commercial communication. Going paperless. Organization relatives means paperless means less paper. It is impossible to scan all document on the computer. There are many benefits of paperless document. It is easy to search document. The data, document and information are safe and secure. पेपरलेस ऑफिस एंड मोर इन्वायरमेंट फ्रेंडली, राइट? अगर कोई भी डॉक्यूमेंट्स या डेटा हम पेपरलेस या हम किसी क्लाउड कंपनी या गूगल ड्राइव में रखते हो तो वो सिक्योर भी होगी. अगर हम कुछ सिक्योर एसेंशियल डेटा है, अगर इफ यू वांट टू कीप सिक्योरली वी हैव टू प्रोवाइड सिक्योरिटी फॉर पर्टिकुलर डेटा. So we can take the space from cloud vendors, and through this we can save our data. So और ये प्लस यूजर फ्रेंडली भी, इन्वायरमेंट फ्रेंडली भी होगा क्योंकि यहाँ पे हम पेपर यूज नहीं कर रहे. It reduces the amount of paper granted every year. Then other benefits are like less time looking for lost paperwork, the ability to access most document in second, the ability to access all document from home. Okay, so less time looking for lost paperwork, the ability to access most document in second, the ability to access all documents from the home. So changing over. So a good scanner is the key for moving towards paperless. We need to scan our paperwork and scan on the network. Hardware. One can printer with built-in capability of scanner. Most of these documents are created on spreadsheet, email, word processing, or database application. Okay, hardware. It is better to maintain its electronic format. Hmm. Then some popular scanner like Epson, Workforce, then Canon. A scanned PDF file consumes 250 KB for black and white document and 500 KB for color. If we store black and white document, we are able to save 4,000 paper per 1 GB of drive span. Then software, a good scanner should come with driver. The driver should allow the management of resolutions, color, bit, depth, file, type, and default folders. Then PDF. Reason to consider PDF are open format. PDF format declares a standard. Multi-platform PDF file are viewable in Windows, Linux, and many mobile platforms. Accuracy, a layer of digital text for easy searching. Security, PDF can be easily signed and password protected. Searchable text, easy to search text for easy information location. Work smart, be realistic. Look at your document and decide which one you really need. Naming, each document should be labeled immediately after scanning. Then Setta's filing system should be easy navigated. Then recycling, one you can scan what need to be shared and what need to be scanned and what need to be kept. Know your limit. Stabilize specify goal for scanning. Once you get electronic version of facts, one can decide whether to keep it or not. So this all about some benefits. Some, if you using paper, if you go for paperless, then you will get more benefit. You can having more option, and it is a user friendly, environment friendly also. We will save our environment. Okay, so if we go for paper, then we know very well what we can do, what we can lost, right? So this is all about paperless. Matlab, this is your chapter here. Now in today's lecture over here, and upcoming lecture we're going to see paperless billing. What is a paperless means? What is a short? We will see some short intro of paperless billing here. Then we will see a short note on PDA, like personal digital assistant. Okay, so this type of some points we will see in my next lecture. Okay, so to this lecture over here. Thank you.